Guys, I wanted to give you another look at these Himalayan dog sticks that I received from the company to give to my dog. We've been really into these. There's a lot of really great reasons why I would pick this over rawhide personally for my dog. First of all, she absolutely loves them. I wanted to give you a closer look of what they look like up close. They are hard, but you can soften them. But my dog's been doing really well with just having them as they are. She's right there, just crying to get one. So they're made with very few ingredients, which I really do like. It's yak, cow milk, salt, and lime juice. There's no binding, no additives, no preservatives. So all things that like I look for when purchasing like a higher quality item. So because they're like made of with like a cheese, it's just more digestible for a dog than rawhide. And through the curing process, come here. They end up being lactose free, which is interesting, but I think it's also makes me feel like safe for her digestive system. She is super picky. She's also very sensitive. So I find that she has had no problems with these, and I was concerned, but we have gone through a couple now and she's doing really well with them. So I wanted to give you an update. Really happy with this.